to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are going to be reviewing some $10 lashes. I'm going to tell y'all all the details. We just gonna get into the video. Hopefully I ain't got no like blemishes or something. Like, please let our sister know. We're going to be up close and personal today. All day. Well, at least for this video. This video is all about these Amazon lashes that I got for $10, and I got 50 for $10, which is crazy. And they're actually very, very nice. So this is the box that it comes in. All right, y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay, so this brand is called Allen, I believe, but they're eyelashes that are handmade, 5 fashion styles. They are professional, easy to apply, lightweight, and comfortable lashes. So we're gonna put that to the test. We gonna see. But it came in a big box. And these are all the lashes, okay? And it also comes with tweezers. They're actually quality tweezers, which is kind of crazy. They're very similar to some that I already have, and they're a really good pair of tweezers, so kudos to y'all. But honestly, we just about to get started. We are going to try on all 5 styles. Hopefully my eyelids don't fall off, but you know. They don't have names on them, nothing. They just have the different styles. So this is Lash number 1. Actually fit my eye pretty well. So I'm actually not going to cut them. I would say that they don't look bad, but my opinion, you know that glue that sticks the lash to the plastic, it comes off on the lash. Like, that's not good. This is lash number 2. All right, time for lash number 2. I actually really like these. I like the way that they cross, but they just don't look as dramatic. Like, I need something that's gonna be like, that's gonna be like, boom, boom. And here is lash 3. Okay. All right. These are lash number 3. Lash 3. These are so natural. I can't even tell that I have eyelashes on. It's kind of weird. Like, I definitely feel like putting mascara on them right now. But I'm just like, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Lash 4. These are even more natural. Like, you would never think I had eyelashes on, which is so weird. Wow. That's kind of wild. Lash number 5. Alright, now these just added to my natural lashes, literally. So, what I think, actually, we're gonna put on some real lashes. We're gonna put on some real lashes, and we're gonna do this right. These lashes are priced well for their quality. But I would say that if you are more of a more natural type of girl, like you just can't do the dramatic lash, I would say get these just because they're easy to put on. They're super lightweight. They aren't dramatic, like they're not over the top, like you're not gonna fly away. I think this is a great pair of lashes to get. I think these are a great pair of lashes. They came with some they came with nice tweezers. The glue that I used was the Duo brush on adhesive with vitamins. It looks like this. And that was about it. But if you like this video, give me a like, comment, a share. I just think these lashes are not for me just because I personally like a more dramatic lash. Like the lashes on my eyes, they are natural to me. Like these are natural. So for those lashes that I had on, I don't think that it did it for me, you know? Like it ain't do nothing for me. So I'm like, honeybee. Thank y'all for watching. That was super easy. I feel like that's gonna be a short video, boy. You know. But honestly, I think my favorite part of the whole package was the tweezers. Like, these are some good tweezers.